Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here, coming at you with another video talking about my real earnings as an Uber and Lyft driver. And I'm going to give you my earnings for all last week. I'm going to show you all my Lyft Lux, all my Lyft XL, all my Lyft Lux Black XL rides, all my Uber XL rides. Every ride that I did last week, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you exactly how much I got paid for both Uber and for Lyft. Driving the Boston, Massachusetts market. I hope you like this video. If you want to see my pay, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. My subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And just to show you my appreciation and how much I appreciate you guys following me on this journey as I build this channel, do these videos, share and document my life as an Uber and Lyft driver, and showing you what I'm doing to get out of driving, right? My goal is to get out of driving. That's what I think you should do too. That's what this channel is dedicated to, giving you everything you need to know to stay current and profitable and efficient in today's market as an Uber and Lyft driver, and then also help you get out of driving, right? Because if you're anything like me, I drive full-time in the Boston, Massachusetts market, and I just want to be done driving. I'm so tired of driving. My back hurts, my head hurts. It's just stressful. Dealing with traffic, it gets worse every single day. But without any further ado, I think we covered everything. Oh, by the way, for my subscribers, we're doing a dash cam giveaway. It's a $200 dash cam. It's the Vanger N2 Pro. The link will be in the description if you want to check it out. But if you want your chance to win the camera, you need to subscribe. And you also need to click the bell, because I'm only going to be giving away the camera during my live events. So in order to know when I'm going live, you're going to need to be subscribed and ring the bell. So I'm going to give it away every single month. We're also going to be giving away other RideShare essentials, things you might need for your car, things to help you get a 5-star service, anything to help you, maybe give you a little boost, a little bit something extra in your daily costs for driving for Uber and Lyft, just for being here and watching my videos, guys. I do appreciate it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, because I've had a lot of people reach out and ask me, Nick, how much do you make in Lyft Lux? How much do you make in Lyft Lux Black? What about all the categories? Like, how many rides are you doing in each category? What about XL? Is it worth it to upgrade my vehicle? Now, I can't speak for your specific city, but I can speak for Boston. And I want to show you these numbers and show you that, in my personal opinion and my personal experience, I think you can upgrade your vehicle. I think that the question of what vehicle you should get, which I've been talking to a lot of drivers lately, what's the best vehicle to have, And I think the question that best answers that question is, like, what's your schedule like? How much time are you putting into this? Can you drive at any time you want, or do you only drive at specific times? So these are questions that you need to answer for yourself. But to help you best make those decisions of figure out if you should upgrade your vehicle or not, I want to share with you my pay. So let's check out how much I made, right? So give me a second. I need to set my phone up here on a stand, and then I'm going to show you my pay. I'm going to show you my exact pay from Uber and Lyft, so you can see it, and there won't be any question what I'm talking about here. Sorry, guys. All right. So let's go ahead. Yeah, that's my messy couch for my daughter. I have a 3-year-old toddler. And anybody that has toddlers, has kids, you know how messy the house gets. It's hard to stay on top of things. So anyway, on Lyft, I made a total of, my net earnings were $909.61. I drove, this is on September 2nd to September 8th of 2019. I had 19 rides total, and my total online time was 2 days and 17 hours, and my total booked time was 11 hours and 13 minutes. That looks like it's about 20% of the time that I was online with Lyft, I drove. So I only drove 20% of the time that I was online. 11 hours in a total week of booked driving time, okay? So that means not just, during I'm sorry, book time means like at the point I accept a ride to the point I complete the trip. And so my ride earnings total were $648.48. I'm going to show this to you guys, right, as I read it. So hopefully you can see that. So my total earnings, my ride earnings were $648.39. My tips were $152, and that's actually really good, because if my ride earnings were $648, so 10% of that would be $64. But I even made more than 20. That's like 25% in tips. That's really good. I had a really good week. as far as tips go. Commercial insurance credits, you got to have rideshare insurance if you're a rideshare driver, and those are the credits that Lyft gives you when you have Geico commercial insurance. They have a partnership, so Lyft is paying me 25 cents credit per ride. Bonuses, I earned $54.95, and my cancel earnings are $5. Tolls were $44.35. I think those cancel earnings are something to mention. Everybody should have a healthy, consistent cancel earnings. You should have at least one a week when you do this. So that's for the Lyft, and hopefully you guys can see all that, and it wasn't just giving you a bunch of garbage here. Anyways, so there it is, so you can see it. All right, now back to me, and I'm gonna open up Uber, right? So think about those rides right there, 19 rides for $9.09. So that's on an average. I mean, what am I doing here? Let's grab the calculator, right? And if I did $909 divided by 19 rides, that equals $47 per ride. Okay, so I want you to put that into perspective. You're getting $47 per ride, and is that worth it to have an upgraded vehicle? I do it because I like the downtime. I use the downtime to take the time to either educate myself. I'm either reading, I'm doing work, I'm doing work on the computer, or anything like that. I'm doing anything that I can in my downtime to stay productive and stay efficient. And if you're gonna upgrade your vehicle, to an XL vehicle or a Lyft Lux or a Lux Black, you will have downtime. I promise you will have downtime. And you need my advice, and what I do is I try to stay productive. And I want you to do the same. I don't want you to just have wasted time on your downtime. You need to be doing something productive to get you further ahead in life, to help you out in life. So that's $47 per ride. And that's why I wait around. That's why I spend my downtime, because I know I can get those good rides. Now let's see what Uber has to say. So $9.09 in Lyft last week, and then $742.19 with Uber. So let's add that up, right? Let's go back to the calculator, and we were at what? $9.09, right? $9.09 plus. I'm just getting this. Sorry guys, I know it's taking a little bit here. So $9.09 plus $742. So let's add that up and see what's up. Plus 742 equals plus 909. So we're talking $1,651 I made between Uber and Lyft in the total week. Hours online on Uber were 55 hours, and completed trips were 38. So I did a lot more trips with Uber than I did for Lyft in that same period. And this is the September 2nd to the 8th. And I'm just trying to look at different things here, just to show you that, show you what I'm talking about. And then you can see it right there. Does that work for you guys? Give me the thumbs up if that's okay. If not, give me a thumbs down so I can change it next time. And so let's go into the earnings, right? So how much did I actually make, what I make per day? So the most I made was on Sunday. I made $302 on Sunday, and that was pretty good. That was like a hard day, I'm sure. I want to check the rides. How many rides did I do? I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did 11 rides on Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 of those were UberX. I don't know if they were surges or not. I'm not going to get into it on this video. I will on the next video and show you what percentage of surge I'm actually making on each ride. So, but let's go back to Lyft, right? Because that's what was the biggest question. People were wondering about the trips, like what's happening. Now, last week was a short week because there was Labor Day weekend, so I had my daughter on Monday and there wasn't any driving going on. And besides, it wasn't a day that I really want to be driving anyways, because typically slow. But for Lyft, I made $909, and on Tuesday, I had 5 rides. It was my second highest grossing day on Tuesday. My first highest was on Friday, and that was $284. So, but on Tuesday was pretty particular because it was out of the ordinary. And my total earnings were $162. My tips were $35.31. And bonuses of 40 and totals 10. Okay. But on Tuesday, I had, my first ride was a Lux Black at, oh, I'm sorry, I'm reading that backwards. My first ride was a Lux Black at 8:17 a.m. Now this one was totally random. I did not expect to get this one. I'm going to show you this pay card in a second, okay? So just hold on. My Lux Black was first at 8:17 a.m. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to get anything. I dropped my daughter off at daycare, and I was sitting around and not getting anything. I think I was at Starbucks when I got this call. I was like just going to get a coffee. I'm like, oh, let me get coffee and wait for no money to come in. And then at 8:17, I got pinged, and it was a Lux Black. It was a random. It was in the neighborhood I'm always in, and then it was at a random spot. I have picked up there before, but just it's not consistent, so that's why I say random. It was a Lux Black ride, and it was to the airport. Awesome way to start the day. It was 18 miles, 18.31 miles, 39 minutes. The ride itself paid $71.71, and I got a $19.83 tip. So that was like $91 I made for 39 minutes. What is that? That's over $100 an hour, right? 90 into 40. Yeah, I mean, it's just barely over $100 an hour, but it's still pretty damn good. Now, my next ride, while I was at the airport, I waited. So my next ride was at 9:22, right? So this is only a little bit of an hour later, and I made $53.54 on that next Lux Black ride. So I was on a determination this month to only use my Lux Black when I was at the airport because it's supposed to be my last month driving with Lyft Lux Black, and I want to make sure that I get a good evaluation of what's happening because I know people want to know. You guys want to know what's happening with Lux Black. So, and then looks like I took a break after that because my next ride wasn't until 2 o'clock, right? So I guess I was probably feeling pretty good about myself getting those 2 black rides. Usually I hustle a lot harder. That was a regular Lyft ride. That was $18.31. My next one was at 2:22. So it looks like I went back to back Lyft regular, Lyft economies, 18:31 and then 13:27. And then I ended up the day at 4 o'clock with another Lux Black ride. I don't remember where that came from, but it was $57.33 for 33 minutes plus a $15 tip. So that's like $72, $73 for 33 minutes. Not bad. If you double that, that's like $140 per hour. Anyways, guys, so I just want you to see that right there. So I want you to see the card that let you know it's for real. I know it's hard for me to angle this right now. I hope you can see it. All right. Okay, guys. Well, yeah, definitely check out the rest of my videos and subscribe because I'm going to show you more and more what's going on here in the Boston, Massachusetts market. If you want to become a driver, go ahead and use the link in the description below. I'm Nick Newsom. I live and drive in Boston. I'll help you out any way I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.